Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm at the construction site where the Umuahia bus terminal is actually going on, the construction site. As you can see behind my back, behind me over there, this is where the world-class Umuahia bus terminal is going to stand. Very soon we are going to celebrate, you know, this heavy project, this big project, that is going to have a way of uplifting, facelifting the state capital of Abia State. So guys, if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel or first time you're coming across my videos, kindly watch the video down to the end as I show you around inside the location where the construction of the Umuahia bus terminal is ongoing. This bus terminal is going to be one of the biggest, if not the biggest, we have in the eastern part of the country. Here a lot of buses, all the parks in Umuahia, they are going to move over here once the construction of this park is over. So watch this video down to the end. Tell me what you think in the comment section.
So this is part of the compound where the construction is going on, and I'm trying to show you guys some of the equipment and all the tools that they are using for the construction work. So that's their container over there where they have a lot of equipment they use here for their everyday work, and the heavy duty machines are in front. I'm going to be going closer to show you some of them. So the metal-like or iron rod you are seeing on the floor, later in this video I'm going to be showing you where they have been put to use already. So right now I'm showing you something like a pavement cover made from cement, like it's this concrete, like very solid. So I don't know what they are going to be using it to do in particular here, but you can see we have a lot of them here. And over there you can see the heavy duty machine. They are packed. As at the day I made this video, I didn't meet workers on site. Of course, workers too should be having their break. I made this video on, I think that was on a Thursday, right? Or maybe they were having break time. So this is the structure, and this is how far they have come with the construction here. But don't end the video, because there's still a place I noticed something like a demolition happened inside this compound. So just watch this video down to the end, as I'm still going to take you guys over there so that you can see what they are constructing there, or what they want to construct there. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So one thing I've noticed about the construction going on here, is how solid the pillars are. The pillars here are very, very solid. The pavement, everything is just, everything is on point. this compound is just very big. Now these are some of the equipment I saw here. I believe they'll still be used for the construction. So I want to take you guys around and so that you can see how big the compound is, how big this place is. You understand? So I'm going to be taking you guys around so you can see for yourself.
Take permission from them. I take permission from them.
So I also saw this one inside there. I don't know what it is exactly, but it looks like something I've seen inside town, especially around the bus stops, close to the bus stops, where you can just hold your hand while you pass. I don't know. Maybe you that is watching know what it is. You can also tell us in the comment section.
Nenda kurishara that side. Chabu close hapa. Akurishi. Thanks. Mm.